Good evening to all of you. Today I'm going to discuss on the introductory lecture of semester 1 B.Ed for the MEd
ML.
students in this for the session of 2021 and 2023. Right, guys? So in this orientation, we will see that how many semesters are there, and what are the papers under the semesters, how we have to go. Right, guys? So first I start with MEd syllabus semester 1, right, guys? So this is a syllabus for semester 1. So guys, there are 4 papers in our syllabus. Okay, you have to prepare these 4 papers and you have to appear for the exams of these 4 papers in the month of December probably, right? So first paper is, the name of first paper is Philosophy of Education. Second is Psychology of Learning and Development. Can you put your audio off, all of you? There is some disturbance coming on the backside. Please put your audio off, all of you.
Sister Lucy, could you please put your audio off, Sister Lucy?
And third paper is, the name of third paper is Educational Studies.
Yeah.
Right. And fourth is Introductions of Education, Research and Statistics. So guys, out of these 4 papers, first of all, I just want to tell you about, syllabus of Punjabi University Patiala. It is a very easy syllabus. And most of the topics you have already cleared in your B.Ed exam. Because what is a MEd? MEd basically it is an extension for B.Ed. For example, B.Ed is a mandatory to become a teacher. But when you want to become a principal, you want to become a head teacher, so then MEd is mandatory, right? And the syllabus of B.Ed or MEd is almost same, right? Like, philosophy of education you have already done, psychology you have done, educational study you have done. Only the new paper, Introductions of Educational Research and Statistics, in a first semester, it is university has introduced. Okay, so now in the second slide I tell you, which paper will come, how many marks, right? So first, Philosophy of Education, it is for 100 marks. There are 4 papers in your semester 1. The name of first paper is Philosophy of Education. It would be of 100 marks. Psychology of Learning and Development, again it would be of 100 marks. Third, Educational Study, 100 marks. And fourth paper is Introductions of Educational Research and Statistics. It is of 100 marks. But out of 100 marks, it is divided into theory exams and practical exam. Okay, you have to appear for theoretical paper of 70 marks and 32 marks. 30 marks you have to appear for, you have to make the assignments, internal assessments, projects. Okay, 30 marks are assigned for that, but 70 is for your theory, right? You have to prepare for the theory. For example, I show you the paper, last year paper, Philosophy of Education, right? Now I tell you the pattern of paper, 70 marks paper, how it comes. This paper I'm showing you the last year paper, Philosophy of Education. Okay, you can see that left hand side, you can see that time is of 3 hours and maximum marks is 70, right? There would be 3 sections. In each paper, there would be a 3 section. Section A, section B, and in the next slide, this is a section C, right? So I start from the section A. Under a section A, guys, there would be a 4 questions, okay, carrying 10 marks. Out of a 4 question, 50%, questions are, you can exempt that. Only you have to attempt 50%, means 2 question. In a section A, out of a 4 question, you have to attempt 2 question. 2 question, each question carries 10 marks. So it means section A carries 20 marks, right? Section B. Similarly, in the section B, there is a 4 question, right? Out of a 4 questions, you have to attempt 2 question. 2 question carries 20 marks. Section B also carries 20 marks. 20 or 20, 40 ho gaya. And after that, section C. Section C, guys, is compulsory section. In a section C, it is a short question. Earlier in section A and section B, there is a long question. But in a section C, there is a short question. Okay, there are 10 short questions. Each question carries 3 marks. So 10 into 3, 30. Section C carries 30 marks. So total paper आपका क्या आ गया? 70 marks का paper आ गया. It is of your theoretical paper. Right, guys? Long question paper you have to write in 6 or 7 pages. Okay. And within a half an hour you have to finish. And when you talk about the short questions, it is of 1.5 page or 2 pages you can write it. Okay. We will discuss later on. Right. In today's lecture, in this PPT, I just want to tell you about your 4 papers. Semester 1, philosophy of education, psychology, educational study, introductions of educational research and statistics. In these paper, only one time you have to appear for the practical. Okay, in a psychology, second paper means 4 times you have to appear for the exam, but one time you have to appear for the practical exam also. Right, guys? And this is a marks distribution. Okay, every paper carries 100 marks, 70 is for theory, 30 is for practical. This is a pattern of the MEd paper I have already discussed you. Okay, last year paper. Right, guys? Thank you so much, guys.